We are excited. We got our working elevator, Cousin Clark. Oh my gosh. Look at that. What did you do? Just flip the light?
Button, it opens the door.
Opens the door with a button.
Yeah, because
okay.
Once the door is closed, after maybe like 2 minutes, it will time out and the door will lock.
And then you have to unlock it?
So unlock it to get in, you press the button again.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see.
And then you go in, you just press the destination, like for instance, stand back because the door.
Say, I'm going to stand back. He's closing the doors now and he's going to the basement. Look at that. Cool. And what happens if we close this door when you go down?
So once when I come back home.
Okay.
You'll have to close that door.
So there it goes down, and we'll have glass in the channels. All that's around it is glass. And now he'll come back up, right? So this is technically on automatic, right? And you don't close the door?
No, you do. You do, just not right now.
Oh. But normally you would close the door. We're just loading the glass up and down to the basement. Yay! So we got this fancy elevator. I think it's exciting. The crew is great. Thank you guys. So then what? You just push open the door? How do you?
It opens by itself.
It opens by itself.
So
I love
the door you would have to push open is that.
Awesome.
So once we put it on fully automatic, because it's on partial automatic, we have the door jump out, so we could work with the door open. Once it's on fully automatic, it would never leave unless this door closed.
I see.
It would never move from the line in.
Awesome. Almost there. Ciao for now.